This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. President Ramnath Kovind will preside over the 51st Conference of Governors and Lieutenant Governors today at Rashtrapati Bhavan. This will be the 4th conference to be presided over by President Kovind. Apart from governors and lieutenant governors of all states and union territories, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah will also attend the conference. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Med Balingdo, and other cabinet ministers and MLAs, yesterday inaugurated the new district of Eastern West Khasi Hills, which was bifurcated from its parent district of West Khasi Hills District. The new district comprises of Mairang and Mauthal Draishan, C and RD blocks respectively. Mairang is one of the oldest civil subdivisions, which was inaugurated on November 10, 1976, and exactly after 45 years it was upgraded to a new district. The new district will be headquartered at Mairang. Inaugurating the new district of Eastern West Khasi Hills amidst a festive mood, the Chief Minister said that the new district will bring administration closer to the people. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council yesterday decided to refer the much-debated Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Inheritance or Property Bill 2021 to the Select Committee on the last day of the session of the Council. The bill was referred to the Select Committee as both the members belonging to the ruling and opposition were of the opinion that the bill should be improved. The Select Committee will be headed by KHADC Chief Executive Member Titor Sarwell Chine, while the Secretary to the Executive Committee will be the Member Secretary to the Committee. The other members of the committee include Leader of Opposition Pinchine N. Same, Congress MDC Charles Madangar, Executive Member in Charge Building Bylaws. Assam government is to administer at least the first jab of COVID vaccine to all eligible persons by 27th of November. To achieve this target, the Health Department has started a door-to-door vaccination campaign across the state. The Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma reviewed the COVID vaccination status with all the Deputy Commissioners on Tuesday night. All the ministers, legislators and officials will visit a vaccination centre from 22nd to 27th of November to ensure 100% jabs. Assam has already administered over 2 crore first jab of vaccination. In Meghalaya, 28 fresh new COVID-19 cases were reported and 1 death from East Garo Hills district yesterday. According to a statement from the Directorate of Health Services, 28 recoveries were also registered, taking the total recovered cases to 82,163. The number of active cases in the state declined to 318, while the total fatalities have reached 1,461. Trinity Sayo, the Padma Shri Award recipient, was felicitated by the farmers of Reebhoy district after receiving Padma Shri Award conferred by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, in New Delhi on the 8th of this month. Trinity Sayo was awarded with Padma Shri Award for cultivation of turmeric, locally known as Lakadong in West Jaintia. The farmers from Reebhoy district, under the banner of Hill Farmers Union of Nonglindo area and Pahamolian unit, felicitated her when she reached Nongpo in Reebhoy district for the bringing laurel not only to the farmers and for the people of the state. Savington Makri, the president of HFU Nonglindo area, said her achievement is a matter of pride and happiness for the farmers of the state. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.